Good morning everyone. Now today in Assembly First we're going to start with our wow moments. So let's have a look at who's got a wow moment this week. Now, first of all we've got Zidane. Now Zidane is doing some absolutely fantastic pirate acting and we're going to watch him now.
And everyone's fighting and it's angry and saying what it's going to eat him. So and stop now forever. I can't see Captain Hook. So and it's dance like this, but it's second. So and the pictures he can do. So I just can't fight him.
Can you do a Captain Hook dance?
No. Oh, the tick-tock, tick-tock-tock.
Well done Zidane. Next we have Sophia. Now Sophia is only 2 and she's grown so much in confidence in all activities that she's doing. Next we have Theo B. And Theo has been playing the matching number game at home and been doing really well, so well done Theo. Next we have Jovan, and Jovan has made a fantastic sweet picture. And it's of snails, and he's used all his favourite sweets to make the snails. So well done to Jovan. Next we have Rizwan, and Rizwan has written a story all about snails, which I'll read to you. Once upon a time, there was a colourful snail. His name was Sammy. I took him to a secret garden. The snail ate red, real, juicy, sweet, scrummy apples. And there is Rizwan's story. So well done to Rizwan. So well done to all our children that have got a wow moment this week. Now, at the weekend, it is a very special occasion for some families all over the world, and I know that lots of you will be celebrating. Now, I'd usually ask you to put up your hands and tell me what that special festival would be, but I can't do that today. But I'm sure lots of you know at home that it's going to be Eid. Now, Eid is a special time. It's a special time for Muslims to think about each other, to have a family celebration. They often wear new clothes, they have special food together, and they give gifts. Now, for many weeks, a whole month, they have been fasting. And fasting means that they haven't been eating food and haven't been drinking for a long time. And at the end of that special time called Ramadan, there's a new moon in the sky. And when they see the new moon, they know that the next day is going to be Eid and they will have their very special celebration together. And I've got a poem for you, which is about Eid. Starlight, new moon bright, high up in the sky tonight, shining bright, shining clear, telling us that Eid is here. Eid, Eid, happy Eid we say. Tomorrow we will have a feast. It's such a happy day. We'll have a party with bright new clothes to wear and games to play with all our family and lovely food to share. We always must remember to thank God as we pray. Family and clothes and food He gives us every day. So, happy Eid to everybody at home and in school, and I hope you have a wonderful celebration at the weekend. Now, if you would like to learn more about Eid, you can follow the link and you can watch a little girl celebrating with her family at home.